Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add widgets on your iPhone. And this is very simple to do, but hey, you need to know a few steps to do this. So right now, if I'm holding the Safari app, we can do a lot of things, but right now I want to do edit home screen. Then from here we click on edit, and right now here it says add widget. So if I'm clicking on add widget, we have a lot of things that we can add. Now you can also search for a widget, but right now I want to select a widget. So what I'm going to do is Smart Stack. Then here from Smart Stack, we can do a few things. Location access is needed to show your weather. Okay, now let's do add widget. And right now, when I am giving access to my location, we can find the weather left here in the top. So the location now is not shared with Apple. So once you did that, you will see here your weather and a lot more. Now, if you do edit and add widgets, we can also add a clock if you want to. Now let's say add widget, and now we added a clock. So this is exactly how you can add a widget on iPhone. And if you like this video or found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.